I've been in this field for 20 years, guys, right? Through the dot-com, the cloud mobile, Y2K, right? The sky's falling eras, right? And one thing I want to first address is AI. Over the cybersecurity job. The answer is no. People that are saying that are completely wrong, right? It's actually creating an entirely new category of cybersecurity work that didn't exist 5 years ago today. Every company deploying AI, I'm sorry, has a brand new problem, right? New risk, new compliance obligation, new audit requirements. Every one of those need a qualified human to manage it, right? So if it needs governance, guess what? The humans have to do it. And that's us, the cybersecurity professionals. And here's what AI is actually doing to cybersecurity in the job market right now. Excuse me. These AI systems, they must be secured against adversarial attacks and data poisoning. Okay. They must be audited regularly to confirm they operate within compliance boundaries. They create new attack surfaces organizations need human experts to protect. You can't have AI being a cybersecurity for AI, right? That's how the Terminator happened, I think, right? The federal government now requires AI risk management practices across all agencies. In fact, I have a course on that on our website that tells you exactly how that framework works. AI is not a threat to this career. Okay, guys? AI is the reason this career is more important than ever, just like cloud systems.